everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to change your name in Among Us. Watch the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open Among Us game and simply launch it on. Once you open the game, tap on your account option at the upper left corner and you'll be able to see three options over there. You can play as a guest, go offline, or change name. Tap on the third option that says change name. While entering your name, you can also tap on this infinity loop kind of button at the right corner and you'll be able to pick random name from the options. Or you can also type in your own name that you want it to display on your game. There are multiple of names that you can pick from. Once you find an attractive name that you would like to use, tap on confirm. And that way you have successfully changed your name on your Among Us game. That is how you can easily change your display name on Among Us. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.